It was great to be here at the All Members Convention again this year. It's always great to meet all the different people of the community, to talk about the different projects and topics.
So of course, OI4 is technical stuff, doing guidelines together, but at the end it's also the people coming here together, seeing them together and having discussions, networking events. So this is also great about the OI4 events, and especially this event. Industrial digitalization could not be done by one of us alone, so it's combining teams together, combining companies together, combining people together.
To always bring them one step ahead than just meeting virtually. So it was just great to be here this day and to meet all the people with the Alliance.